Welcome back, everybody, to JC Dynamics. On this beautiful fall morning, we went out for a side-by-side run and brought the shotgun with us to do a little bird hunting as we cruised around. More opportunity hunting than anything. We left our trusty bird dog at home to guard the house, and it was just the two of us that went out for a cruise. On the way, we dropped off some apples and 100 pounds of carrots at my one stand that's left, because where my other stand location was got cut off, probably 500 acres of woodland. And we went out for a beautiful cruise, and we seen a couple partridge. We didn't get any, and I let this cute little baby partridge go and just videotaped them. Out bird hunting down at Munson Lake. And we followed this rocky trail on the way in. And the wife's worried about how we're getting out. Tanya with a 20 gauge. Second shot ever. Yep. All you have to do is pull the trigger again and we'll shoot again. Look right down the barrel. We were going to do it. Lots of large boulders and steep terrain and ruts to get out. The video really doesn't do it justice. I was balancing on 2 wheels or 3 wheels multiple occasions. Then I really hit hard there on the rocker panel underneath the door, so hard that it actually popped the door latch and the door swung open. The wife did the walk up the main part of the hill till we got to the slate terrain where it started to level out, and we got back to normal dirt road traveling.